In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT sign up not working. Let's get started. If you are trying to create an account and experiencing issues, the first thing to check is whether the service itself is having an outage. I open a new browser tab and type OpenAI status in the address bar to perform a quick search. From the results, I select OpenAI status to view the live system metrics. Looking at the system status overview, OpenAI indicates that the systems are fully operational with no major active incidents reported for ChatGPT. I can click to expand the components section to verify that separate features like login and user authentication are running with high uptime. I head back to the original ChatGPT tab and prepare to check my browser settings. I click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the main menu, navigate down, and select Extensions. From there, I click on Manage Extensions to review what is running in the background. I review the active extensions to see if any could be restricting data flow or altering my IP signature improperly. After checking my extensions, I return to the main browser menu by clicking the three dots once more and navigate into Settings to clear out localized tracking data. Inside the Settings panel, I select Privacy and Security from the left sidebar and then click on Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up menu appears where I can select the specific time frame and types of data to delete. I press the Clear Data button and wait a moment for the process to finish. Now that the browser cache is completely cleared, I close the Settings panel and return to the main ChatGPT interface to attempt another authentication step. I navigate to the top right corner and click the Login button to see if the interface loads smoothly. When the verification options prompt opens, I choose Continue with Google to use an automated federated sign-in method. However, if the page still lags or fails to sign up, it is time to try an isolated browsing session. I click the three dots in the corner of my browser window again and select New Incognito window from the drop-down list. Operating in an incognito window automatically disables standard cached files and runs a clean session without background cookie tracking. In the address bar of the private window, I type ChatGPT to run a search and select the official link from the results. Once the main page loads up inside the incognito session, I click the Login button on the upper right side to bring up the sign-in modal window. From the options presented, I select Continue with Google to proceed with my standard account creation path. I type my full email address into the input field and press Next to proceed to the next step. Following that, I type my account password into the password field and press Next. The secure redirect screen activates, bypassing the previous script issues, and successfully logs me straight into the clean ChatGPT interface. The account is now active and ready to process inputs normally. If you continue to experience a sign-up loop even after trying an incognito window, you can verify if a browser conflict is the issue by testing a completely different application. I click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen, look for Microsoft Edge, and launch it. I type ChatGPT into the browser address bar to navigate back to the landing page. Testing the platform on a separate, fresh browser ensures that any deeply rooted configuration or security policy settings on your primary browser are completely bypassed, giving you a smooth and functional sign-up experience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.